Hi guys, my name is Andre, and I got a challenge for you. A really good challenge. It's if you're smart, if you're not. What can you make out of this? This, and this. This, and this. You have 5 minutes to figure it out. You can stop the video and write the answer down in the comments. So guys, I'm gonna show you it right now. It's the fly. I called it because it looks a toy, so I called it Gino. This isn't my Gino. This is Gino. So guys, if you like Gino, he's very cute. You can see that he's very, very cute. He likes that. So guys, I made it out of this stuff. So guys, look. And I can even hold the Gino on this. It's very fun. Guys, see? It's like I can do this and it's still going. And I stopped it. And I put it down. And guys, then why I want to present it? Because look. It's not even falling. So guys, that's it, what I want to present. So that's it for today. I might get new videos, so guys, subscribe if you know Warwick Elementary School, and give me a like, please. Bye.